Hi everyone! On today's video I'm going to be reacting to Fly Like a Bird by Morissette. I'm so looking forward to this because it's a Mariah Carey song, so I hope that good things are going to come, and I'm sure they will. So yeah, let's go for it!
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love of one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home. How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you'll come and carry me home.
I love that she's so humble and smiley and fun. She's so lovely. So lovely. And she's doing a really good job because she's singing quite high and soft at the same time, which is one of the signatures of Mariah. And she's doing an amazing job. Like, nothing to envy about Mariah. She's on that level. Really good.
I need you right now. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up. What God's love you survive.
Oh my god, wow! Oh my god, why is she so cute? I just want to... Oh my god! That was good! That was good. That Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah. Really good. Now I understand why you guys keep saying, yeah, you need to react to this song, because wow. Oh my god, that was amazing. A lot of whistles. Oh my god. She was on point on every note. Oh my god, that was amazing. As always, is Morissette. What can you expect if not perfection of her? Amazing. Amazing. That was really, really good. Really, really good. Oh, hello. You see, every time that I'm listening to Morissette, because I always do the tests first, so she can hear it, she keeps coming. Like, okay, is it my turn to listen to it now? I really don't understand why my dog is obsessed with her. I don't understand why, but she is. Anyway, yeah, that was so lovely, and I really enjoyed that this time I could see her, like, because usually the videos that I react to, usually they were on Wish bus, so she's sitting down and everything. But anyway, even sitting down, she's giving you everything. But now that she could move and she was more like, with more freedom, maybe, yeah, kind of freedom, it was so fun and lovely to watch. All her energy is amazing. I loved it. I really enjoyed. So yeah, as always, please let me know in the comments if you want me to react to other songs. And please subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed, because more video reactions are coming. And you also have my social media on the description box. And have a lovely day and see you in the next video.